The Oculus Bi-LED headlight design has been a long-standing popular option since 2019 when it was launched for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator. Now, we're bringing that same extremely well-performing technology to the 2021 and up Ford Bronco. This model features an all-new modular design which allows you to customize your look with upgradable turn signal and side marker modules. Just like all other Oculus headlights, these are plug and play and easy to install. So as you can see, these headlights are a great way to add that signature Oracle lighting style while keeping a more traditional look for your Bronco. As you can see behind me, we have a ton of cool new products on the way for the Bronco, so be sure to check out oraclelights.com to stay updated.